Welcome, here I've got Huawei P40 Pro Plus and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button here to open it, and as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so to get access to the leveler we have to move to more advanced options, and we can do it by using this button here in the right corner. When we tap on this we get access to the camera settings. From here let's slide a little bit down to the general settings here. And as you can see, at the second place we have the horizontal level option, so by using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off, because this is our leveler here and this is how it works. For now let me keep this turn it on, and let's go back to the camera preview to show you how it looks like. And as you can see, here we are, and this is our leveler here, so it generates as this line, and this is helpful, for example, when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. So this is how it works here, and of course when we don't need it we can easily turn it off by going again to this option here in the right corner and tapping on this button again. So for now, as you can see, it's gone. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.